My name is David Benzazon and I am from Israel, and I took the course of the Clear Sight method by Dr. Ainhoa, and I want to say that it was very enjoyable, and I learned a lot from this course. I heard about the course from the forum that was last summer, and I joined the course. I learned about relaxing the eyes, not only the exercises like sunning and palming and other exercise, but the right method, the right way to treat our eyes. And I have myopia. I started with -7 in both eyes and astigmatism, and I see now much better. I didn't yet go to the optometrist, but I am seeing much better, and things that I never dreamed I could see, now I see much more, and I even change my daily routine. And when I go to sleep, I do the palming and the relaxing exercises. I learned about energy, and I must say it was amazing to hear that we have the power to use the energy of the body in order to heal and to do good things for our health and for our eyes. And I think there is a lot to learn from this course, and I hope that I myself succeed to achieve all the goals I made to myself in the vision improving, and I hope you also have a good health. This is David from Israel, and good luck.